Good morning, GullahGeechee family, wherever Hunter be. How Hunter chillin' to do. This year the Queen Quet had upon the body of the Geechee Nation. So glad for come out here and say bless up to all the Hunter chillin' wherever Hunter be. And I need Hunter for yeddi me. Want Hunter for let everybody in the family know what we about to do next Saturday right here on St. Helena Island at the library. So this what I need all the 100 children do. Tell every GullahGeechee you know for did it to the library for GullahGeechee Energy Day, Saturday, September 25th from noon to 2. That's what I need you for do. Let them know. Say from noon to 2. So if Hunter look for a job in the energy field, rather was if Hunter got Dominion Energy for your bill and you would try to get your bill lower, then what you have to do, bring that thing, because you know how them people know. You know ain't a we, you can't come there and say, y'all know I go to school with Hunter and all that thing like that. I know your mama and all that, I go to church. That ain't gonna work. Until it ain't no who wanna be, and we can't testify for you, yeah? So bring your ID. Bring that U.S. government issue ID. Okay, bring a recent bill from Dominion, and then come on in with some proof of income. So that means, you know, if you don't retire and all that kind of thing, and you would get that Social Security, bring that little letter where you tell them about that. Or if Hunter to work, bring that last paycheck. So that way, if they can lower Hunter bill, that part of what we to try for do here in the GullahGeechee Nation. And energy poverty. Now, some 100 children might never yeti that thing. But energy poverty, when you have to choose between pay on a light bill and eat, pay on a light bill and pay rent, pay on a light bill or pay for the babysitter and thing for you go work for make some more money and thing like that. So we know it's a thing called energy poverty. Some people call them energy insecurity. Either one. We ain't want to for day where we be. So we could try help the family on GullahGeechee Energy Day. So we got plenty of people coming or from Colombia all the way down here to the lower country or throughout the GullahGeechee Nation who could did it for give you information to help you try for lower that bill in the house and help you right there to the library for sign up for lower the bill if you can, yeah? And I hope say 100 children who need help with rent and utility and thing with in South Kakalaki, that you ain't left that money on the table now. They still got that program called South Carolina Stay. 100 children better tap into that money today before that money go away. They got a million of dollars they say people still ain't gonna use them. I glad if I get it, because that must mean that we straight. You know, we straight, we ain't about nobody. But don't come and let me hear you crack your teeth with your broke or none of that kind of thing, because all these things are just for help. Okay? So Saturday coming, September the 25th from St. Helena Branch Library on historic St. Helena Island right here in the GullahGeechee Nation. We got GullahGeechee Energy Day. And 100 children are going to the Eventbrite, or you day up on Facebook. Look right there on the GullahGeechee Nation Facebook fan page under the events. You see the thing right there. Click upon them and make sure you sign up in advance, because then that way you got some lead the extra thing coming to you if you don't sign up before you get through the door. And we could do that with the GullahGeechee agriculture. We could have some information for all the 100 children who want farm, who ain't know what to do. You want yeti some more, but what that mean for getting with the USDA and that kind of thing like that. We could have some information for 100 for that too. But you could have to take a lease survey. That's all you have to do. Okay, so we can have that going on. We can have the latest drawings and thing for the St. Helena GullahGeechee Living Landscape, and we to put together so that we can protect this your land, make them more resilient. Because you know, we in the height of the hurricane season right now. But guess what else? You know what's going on? I get the email this last week with everybody within Beaufort County what got heirs property. I got the list of who property about to get auctioned. So, if you got heirs property, you figure you there's an heir to property in Beaufort County, South Kakalaki, I can tell you right now, when I end this year, you better go on and call up whatever family member you figure the bill come to and make sure that thing done pay. Rather was go online to the Beaufort County tax website and look and see if Hunter family land ain't there on there said delinquent tax from 2020. Because even though Beaufort County get till October the 15th for 100 children pay this year, yeah, because of all the Rona and all that, they got auction August 1st. What thing is that any? You would have figured say they move them up even? No. They gonna stick with what they usually do. The first Monday in October every year, the auction for the property. Now you done yet me say this here over and over and over. 100 children can share them with me. Okay? The line that we family, the waterway that we bloodline. Now, 100 must take care of the root for heal the tree. So the root of this tree be that we ancestors who upon this shall land for we. The heirs to who we be. Now what kind of trifling thing that is that if they got to be there, they call chattel they own. Then little bit of money I see upon there. If a half that least when the bill first come last year. If I see a bill they upon there for 400 now, when they about to auction them, when they done put the fee on there and the penalty on there, all that means that thing be 50% of it. Aha. You see how he do? If I had tried to get this here information out to 100 children for take a stand for whole putting your line, you see how that thing get knocked off the snow? Any other time, if we the crack we teet, the just jokey, that thing not broke up any. Okay. So one more again, this should the Queen Quet head upon the body of the Geechee Nation. Just want to let 100 children know in Beaufort County, South Kakalaki, October the 1st, 5 p.m., you got to done pay the tax bill. Otherwise, they go auction off the property. Now that for the 2020 tax. Now for the 2021 tax, they had give you till October the 15th for pimp. If it a me, like y'all like to say, if it be me, I would make sure I ain't care what tax either. Last year, this year, I had to pay them off for October the 1st. Pay them off for this year month going out. Because they got auction them without a doubt. Now, you see all this here, you yeddi them bud and thing? Sound like they'd agree. Say, yeah, hold upon your GullahGeechee land and your legacy. Now, I hope say I can see you Saturday, September the 25th, from noon to 2 at the St. Helena Branch Library. Please pass the word on that we can have GullahGeechee Energy Day. We will make sure we end energy poverty, that we end the land loss, and that upon this your GullahGeechee Nation, all of we gonna stay. So God morning to all 100 children, wherever 100 be, this year the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the GullahGeechee Nation. Peace and blessing to all 100 family. Hold upon the land, take a stand. That's who we be. We be GullahGeechee, anointed people.